Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the Discord overlay on your PC. The Discord overlay can be helpful during games, but sometimes it blocks the screen, reduces performance, or becomes annoying. So if you don't need it, you can easily turn it off in just a few steps. Step 1. Open Discord on your PC and log into your account. Step 2. Click on the user settings icon, the small gear next to your username at the bottom. Step 3. From the left menu, scroll down and click on Game Overlay. Step 4. Turn off the toggle called Enable In-Game Overlay. This will disable the overlay for all games. Step 5. If you only want to disable it for specific games, scroll to the Game Activity or Added Games section and turn off the overlay for those games individually. That's it. You have successfully turned off the Discord overlay. Thanks for watching PC Error Detective, and see you in the next video.